God said in effect, you may be doubting, you don't see how, but I have already set the right time. At the appointed time, she will give birth.
Nandito si Papa Yuki?
Thinking there's no way. This time, when she saw the promise, the right
Yeah, papidyohin
people,
akong
abundance,
sense.
your right times are coming, and they're going to be better than you thought. Now the key is
Pili. O, tabo ni. Wala, naano guys, ano. Sige. Ay, naiiwi po siya. Gali, anak kayo. Ay, kandid eh. Mami na kay like spoon. Ayan. Hindi na kakalit ko. Ito ka dito. Wala ka. Ayun rin. Hindi ka siya. Again. Kaya sa kuhan sa KTV. Hi Moshi, Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Say Happy New Year! Happy New Year everybody! Happy New Year! Lagi siya dito. Happy New Year! Maigo ang Christmas lighting na di! Papa, lighto! Angkor! Ang wire! Wire! 40 makana, 40. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Ay, nice, nice siya tang. Yeah, right side, yeah! Right. Woo!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Mig, sino pa sa right, Mig? Sino pa, Mig? Mig, pagkas ng spell! Expelliarmus! Nice. Eh, pila lang inani sweet 40 shots. 200 Mig.
Ikaw lang.
Uy, wait! Papa Yuki! Papa! Sorry!
Gats ko din.
Wala pa may year, no? Hi, Mig! Sinin! Mig! Look here, Mig! Look here! Mig! 1 minute! Happy! 1 minute! Dahil! Happy New Year! Dahil, Happy New Year, Lai! Happy New Year, Tabong! Happy New Year, Ate E! Happy New Year! Happy New Year, Lai! Happy New Year, Jin! Mig! Mig! Saka!
Saan po na?
Food box. May saka box. Napoy sparkler.
Okay.
Baby Judas.
Sila ka buka na naman.
Sabay mo din.
Okay na. Kanay nga eh, sira.